Dr. Patel here from Chiropractic and Wellness Center. I've been in practice for 26 years as a chiropractor. I have here my spinal model, and I'm demonstrating the spinal decompression therapy. I've been in practice for 26 years, as I said, and I can honestly tell you between chiropractic care and the spinal decompression therapy, whether it's for neck pain or lower back pain, it is phenomenal in getting relief. You do not have to wait for pain. You do not have to wait and suffer because of ridiculous symptoms down the arms and numbness and tingling that you're experiencing, headaches that you might be experiencing, loss of curvature. The decompression table is designed to open that space, creating a negative pressure inside the disc so the disc material can get pulled away from the nerve root, allowing these sensitive nerves that are yellow over here to take some of the pressure that's being compressed because of this position, or you're stressed, or something is going on in your life, or your posture, you're on the phone all the time, your kids are on the phone all the time. You're getting these compression because for every inch that your head goes forward, or you have loss of curve in your neck, you have more stress being placed into the muscles and the joints of your spine and into your neck. Imagine you holding a 10-pound weight over here close to you versus a 30-pound weight out further away from your 40-pound weights. It's a lot heavier for your body to accommodate this 10 pounds or 15 pounds of weight out here versus close to you. It's physics. It's how body works. And if you're going to wait until you're in pain or because you're experiencing disc herniations and bulges, this decompression table is designed to help you with that. I've set up so many thousands of patients on these tables, and so much relief is gotten by all these patients that we're here to help you. You do not have to live in pain. You do not have to suffer. You can spend your time being out of pain and spending more quality time with your family, with your friends. Go out on dates, go out on and go hiking, or go to the city, or go to whatever you like to do. So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms where it's herniations or bulges, radiculopathy, stenosis, arthritic changes, we're here to help you. Give us a call.